Repping Memphis 10, baby. That's what we do. Rare breed, we ride all over, baby. Rare breed or nothing.
What's up? What's going on, bro? Man, I'm Silk from Memphis, Tennessee, man. BM, man. Rare breed Memphis. Man, rode all the way here from Memphis, Tennessee, bro.
That's what's up. Right up in Savannah, brother.
Hey, appreciate you, man.
Yes, sir.
It's like a blog, and it covers a journal of the lives that men lead, which is family, friends, religion, church, spiritual gentlemen, retired military men. It's just a whole lifestyle brand.
Okay, appreciate it. Hey, you on here now, big dog?
Savannah born losers, baby. Lay low. President, baby.
Get up in here.
Slider.
Oh, nice. Yes, sir.
Gotta represent.
Yeah, appreciate it.
Right on, my guy. What size handlebars are these here?
18, brother.
18. How comfortable are they?
Very comfortable.
Wow, wow.
Dave Dumas.
Now, did you customize that to shrink, just like stretch it to you, or?
Nah, these are pullbacks. They come back to you.
Pullbacks. Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
they come back to you.
All right, I'm still new to this, man, but yeah, this is nice, brother.
All right.
Wow, so your back, what about your back level? Everything comfort and everything?
Everything comfortable, brother.
Wow, they call it pullback.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Dave Dumas.
Okay.
Dave Dumas, you can get him from Big Country Red Breed. He out
yeah?
here. Uh-huh.
Awesome,
He
man.
out here on site.
Appreciate you, brother.
All right,
nice
bro.
fight, man.
Thank you, sir.
Hey, this Buck, man. Savannah referee. We're having our anniversary party, day party here at Harley Davidson of Savannah. Y'all come on out. We got food, we got vendors, everything. The weather's great. And that's all we got, man. Thank you.
Awesome. Appreciate you, bro. Oh, yeah, the whole thing. Oh, yeah. Oh, okay, yeah, that's you, brother.
Number one stunners.
Okay, nice. Nice. Man. Can I ask what size boards are these, if you don't mind?
20s.
20s, man. Gosh. I know this is a rhetorical question, but from a scale of 1 to 10, how comfortable are they?
How comfortable? Very.
Okay.
They don't come with this.
Okay.
So I had the tour pack made to match the bike.
Gotcha.
All the red washers you see, all over the bike.
Yes, sir.
I added those.
Awesome.
And the chrome bolts.
Oh, okay.
You got chrome bolts all over.
I saw that. Is that a 24? I don't know what is the front tire.
That's a 23.
23. Nice, man. Wow.
The blinkers, those are headwinds.
Headbangers.
Headwinds.
Headwinds. Come on, right. About here. Okay. Wow. Nice.
Added the exhaust.
Oh, wow. So I'm gonna ask what everybody's probably begging me to ask you. Is it all right if we hear it? All right, guys, I'm here with one of the guys from Red Breed. I was just asking them, like, man, you know, like Red Breed, they ride fast and they ride hard and they ride uniform. Why is that, man?
We got to get somewhere, man. We got to get somewhere. But I mean, it's safety. You know, when you move through traffic, you ain't sitting in traffic. You don't have cars coming over. You go ahead and get bombed. So speed is definitely key. But you know, you ride tight, ride fast. That's how you get somewhere. Get somewhere safe.
Yeah, because you're right. Y'all be getting it, but I notice it's like a control speed.
Right.
That's awesome, man.
Yep.
Like it's nothing really crazy.
Exactly.
Wow.
85, 90, you know.
Huh?
85, 90, that's it.
He said 85 or 90, like every day, like for
Every
real?
day, all day.
Hey, man, I'm happy if I get it to 70.
You know how Red Breed do, man. Breed up and speed up.
got the Rare Breed on my Ultra 2015 CVO with the 28 full backs. Yes, sir.
Wow. And how comfortable are they?
Oh, they damn near fall asleep on the highway, man. Put my feet back, chilling.
And I asked another gentleman with Rare Breed, I said, I noticed you guys ride fast, hard, and strong, but it's orderly. And then he said 85, 90 all the way. Really?
The whole way here.
Oh my.
I got my brother, he's not Breed. He came down with us from Miami. He said he was doing 90, 95 the whole way here.
Really?
On cruise control, lay back.
Oh, what?
Yeah, all the way here. In a pack, 15 deep. I've been riding for a while, man. It take much, you know what I'm saying?
Okay.
You do it once or twice and you get a hang of it.
So, in corners, you guys kind of, you know, do the corners pretty good?
Yeah, I mean, you give yourself a little space, you know, in the corners and shit. But
Man, cool. So what do I have to do to become? No, I'm kidding. And I had a good time, man. 2 huge thumbs up to Savannah Harley Davidson. Also 2 huge thumbs up to Rare Breed and the other motorcycle clubs out here. This is what I love to see, man. Just unity. Everybody's just having a good time. Different motorcycle clubs, man. Just straight camaraderie. I love it. 2 huge thumbs up. Hey, bless this, man, to everybody. Thank you, guys.